Hi friends, today we discuss optative and exclamatory type of indirect speech. Friends, we have discussed all types of means simple sentences, interrogative sentences and imperative sentences in my earlier videos. If you want to watch these videos, you can go to the description box and see these videos. Then you understand these types of sentences, exclamatory sentences and optative sentences. Friends, first of all we have to know what is optative sentence. Optative sentences, as you know, optative sentences expresses wish or prayer. So students, set to convert into, we have to know a basic rule set to how that is reported verb and reported speech. We have discussed all types of matter in other sentences and in simple sentences. The beggar said to me. So said to convert into waste or prayed. In imperative sentences, especially in imperative sentences. So imperative sentences express wish or prayer. So said to converted into waste. And friends, these type of sentences brings a sign of interjections. When we convert direct to into indirect speech, then we remove in sign of interjection, and said to convert into waste or prayed. And remove commas, we use that, and may converted into might. The beggar said to me. The beggar, so we saw the beggar wished. The beggar wished. We can write prayed also. Prayed that. The beggar wished or prayed that. Now we have to convert in simple sentence. God may converted into might. God might bless. Friends, we have to convert the persons or pronouns according to reported verb. And this is the second person. Second person changed according to object. So we have to put me. We have to convert you. The beggar wished or prayed that God might bless you. May converted into might. In all optative sentence, may converted into might. And a reported speech have to make a simple sentence and set to convert into wished or prayed. Friends, set to को हम convert करेंगे wished में. इन्वर्टेड कोमास ओपन करने के लिए क्या पुट करेंगे, दैट लगाएंगे, और उसके बाद इस सेंटेंस को हमने सिंपल सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है हमारा सी सेड, कोमा इन्वर्टेड कोमास, मे यू सक्सीड माय सन. सी सेड, सी दैट इज ऑल्सो ऑप्टेटिव टाइप सेंटेंस. सी विश्ड दैट, सी विश्ड दैट you. You is the second person and we are talking about my son. She said, may you succeed my son. She wished that her son, my according to subject, that her son and may converted into might, that her son might succeed. Friends, each modals brings, we put along with the modals we put first form of the verb like succeed. So remember these points. Every modal brings first form of the verb. She wished that her son might succeed. And now next example, my friend said to me, may you win a scholarship. Friends, you have to remember optative and exclamatory sentences brings sign of exclamation, sign of interjections, and in indirect speech we have to remove it. My friend said to me. my friend wished that may you win. You is the second person and second person according to object. So we have to put I as a subject and may converted into might. That I might win a scholarship, as it is scholarship. And at last full stop. These are the sentences of optative types. I think it is clear. Now we go the next type, exclamatory type. Friends, you have to know what is exclamatory sentences. Friends, exclamatory sentences expresses sudden feelings. It may be of sorrow, joy, surprise. In exclamatory sentences, we have to know or we have to understand through the example. She said, goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Now, said or said to convert into when goodbye is given in reported speech. It is reported verb and it is reported speech. When goodbye is given, when some person separated from a person, then we say goodbye. She said goodbye. When goodbye is given, then we put bade. Said to convert into bade. She bade. She bade. Now said to convert into bade. Said to into bade. She bade goodbye. Goodbye to her friends. Now students, remove interjection in the same type like optative. Remove interjection and at last put full stop. When goodbye is given in reported speech, then said to convert into bade. It is clear? Now we go to next sentence. He said, she is dead. This is the sentence. He said. It is the type of sorrow type sentence. So, said to convert into exclaimed with sorrow. When a sentence type, when the sentence ends shows sorrow, then we convert said to into exclaimed with sorrow. When the sentence ends is happiness, then we use exclaimed with joy. He said, he exclaimed with sorrow. We have to convert this sentence. Alas, some words are given in these type of sentences. कई बार इस तरह के words भी इसमें दिए जाते हैं. Like alas, she is dead. This is the sentence. Now alas word is given and alas is used for sorrow. So we use said to convert into exclaimed with sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that she is the third person and third person no change. That she is died. This is the sentence. And now next sentence. She said. And these type of sentence almost start with what or how. For example, what a great misery. What a great misery. Friends, she said, what a great misery. Sudden feelings. And such type of sentence expresses surprise. She said, उसने एकदम से कहा what a great misery. See, sad. Now sad to convert into exclaimed with surprise. She exclaimed with surprise. Students, when some sentences start with what or how, then we use as a subject it was. Almost exclamatory sentences is in present tense, then we have to convert present tense into past indefinite tense. So she exclaimed with surprise that. अब यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट जो है वो मिसिंग है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, दैट, इट, और ये सेंटेंस किस में है, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में, तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को कन्वर्ट किस में करेंगे, पास्ट में करेंगे. शी एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सरप्राइज दैट इट वाज अ ग्रेट मिजरी. ये थे एक्सक्लेमेटरी टाइप सेंटेंसेस. मैं कुछ वर्ड्स आपको देती हूँ जिन वर्ड्स को स्पेशली उन्हीं में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. मीन्स हुर्रा आ जाता है, exclaimed with joy. alas आ जाता है फ्रेंड्स, exclaimed with sorrow. और कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं, ओ, exclaimed with surprise. what और how आ जाए, exclaimed with surprise. ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड्स हैं फ्रेंड्स. और इनके अलावा भी कुछ इस तरह के वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं जिनको हम चेंज करते हैं सैड टू को एक्सक्लेम्ड विद जॉय, एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सोरो, एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सरप्राइज. तो और कई बार रिग्रेशन की सेंस होती है तो हम करेंगे एक्सक्लेम्ड विद रिग्रेट. तो इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस को हम ऐसे चेंज करते हैं एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.